This is how to track the location of a cheating partner using Google Map. Let's say your partner always lies to you about where he or she went to. Because with this method I'm going to show you now, using Google Map, you can be able to know exact location he or she has visited, or even the location where he or she is currently. If you want to find out, follow me in this video. Let me show you how. And don't forget to like and share this video. Drop your comment. Follow this page for more content like this, okay? So first, take your partner's phone and go to the search. Search for map. Then tap to select it. Then tap on your partner's profile icon here at the top right corner. Now, tap on location sharing and also tap on share location. Choose allow. So now you can see two options here, for 1 hour or for until you turn this off. So I will suggest you choose for until you turn this off. Then tap on more button here. Now, here on the input, you have to fill in your own email address. So for example, you fill in your own email address, your own, okay? Then now, tap on send. Then after setting it up, from now upwards, any location your partner visits, and Google Map will send you alerts to your email on the location of where your partner is now, currently, or has visited, if you want to know all his or her movements. But be careful, because this might cause a heartbreak. So now that is it. If you think this is helpful, like and share this video, drop your comment in the comment section, and follow this page for any tech content like this, okay?